Ever sat down to study, opened your phone for just 2 minutes, and suddenly it's been 2 hours? Yeah, same. You're not lazy. You're not undisciplined. Your brain is just overloaded. And today, I'm going to show you why that's happening and how a simple dopamine detox can reset everything. But here's the twist. Most people do it completely wrong. Let me tell you something real. A few months ago, I couldn't focus for more than 10 minutes. I'd sit with work and instantly feel bored. So I'd check Instagram, then YouTube, then messages. And by the end of the day, nothing done. Just guilt. If you're a student, you know this feeling. Exams coming up, but your brain just won't cooperate. If you're working, same thing. Deadlines exist, but motivation doesn't. And that's where dopamine comes in. But wait, dopamine is not the enemy. That's where people mess up. Dopamine is your brain's reward system. It's what makes you feel good when you scroll, eat junk food, watch reels, win a game. The problem isn't dopamine. The problem is you're getting too much of it too easily. Think about it. Why would your brain choose studying when it can get instant pleasure from your phone? Exactly. And this is where dopamine detox comes in. But here's the catch. You don't need to disappear into a cave for 7 days. There's a smarter way. Step 1. Reduce easy dopamine. Not remove everything, just reduce. Start with this. No phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. No scrolling during work or study time. Turn off unnecessary notifications. That's it. Simple, right? But here's what will happen. Your brain will resist. You'll feel bored, restless, and that's actually a good sign because something important is about to happen next. This boredom you're feeling is actually the reset starting. Step 2, learn to sit with boredom. This is where most people fail. The moment they feel bored, they run back to their phone. But boredom is powerful. It's where creativity starts, focus rebuilds, discipline grows. Try this. Sit for 10 minutes. No phone, no music, nothing. Just sit. Sounds easy, but it's not. And if you can do this, your brain slowly starts craving real work again. But there's one more trick that makes this much easier. Step 3, replace bad dopamine with better dopamine. Don't just remove habits, replace them. Instead of scrolling, go for a short walk. Read 5 pages of a book. Journal your thoughts. Instead of junk content, watch something educational. Learn a skill. Because if you only remove, your brain will rebel. But if you replace, your brain adapts. And here's where things get interesting. There's a hidden mistake that destroys most dopamine detox attempts. People try to go extreme. No phone for 7 days. No fun at all. Only work. Sounds cool. Doesn't work. Why? Because it's not sustainable. You're not building discipline, you're forcing punishment. And eventually, you snap back even harder. Instead, do this. Start small. Win small, repeat daily, and this leads to the most important step. Step 4, make distractions harder. Right now, distractions are too easy. Your phone is always there, so change that. Keep your phone in another room. Log out of social media. Use app blockers. Make it slightly inconvenient, because discipline isn't about willpower, it's about environment. And once you do this, something surprising happens. You don't need motivation anymore. So, let's keep it simple. Dopamine detox is not about quitting everything. It's about reducing easy dopamine, embracing boredom, replacing bad habits, and making distractions harder. That's it. No extremes, no drama. Just small, consistent changes. So here's what I want you to do. Tonight, try this. No phone for 30 minutes before sleep. Just sit, think, maybe write. It'll feel weird at first, but that's the reset starting. And if you can do that, you've already begun. Let's build this habit.